Hello and welcome to online personal financial planning and risk management. So we've got a new online format the rest of the semester. So the purpose of this video is to outline expectations for the rest of the course, how you can do well in it, and also provide an overview of just how the mechanics of the course will work, because it's going to be different. So let's get into it. I'm going to work off of a presentation available under slides as usual. Online overview is what I've got open. And let's get into it. So I've said in my other classes, we're just not going to be able to do all the same things online that we did in class. It's just not going to work. I guess the ticker isn't going to work that well anymore. But what I want to make sure you're in a position to do is to demonstrate that you're learning personal financial planning and risk management things effectively, right? And then I'm here to help you out with that. So it's going to be different, but we'll get through it. Let's go over the format for the course. I'll post these short videos to Blackboard is the best place to get them. If you click on the videos link, you'll see links to the videos, and then the dates will be lined up to the dates of the class meetings on the syllabus. But feel free to look ahead if you like, but definitely watch a given week's video in the week that it's dated to keep pace with the course. In terms of connecting outside of that, however you want to get in touch with me is great. Email is great. We can set up a time to talk on the phone. That's fine too. We're going to do some Zoom video conference things with the whole class in this course because we'll need to do some things like that for the fund management part when y'all vote on which stocks to buy and then the ones to sell before you buy them. So we'll have more details to come on that. And then looking at how your grade is determined, the weights in the syllabus are not changing. So here they are reproduced on this slide. There's one more exam and there's one more assignment. The fund management portion is going to be a little tricky, but we'll get through it. And then participation is going to be a little different. So let's go over each of these components. And so there's one assignment out of the 5 remaining, and the process of doing that will be the same as it was before. Right, I'll post assignments to the assignments section of Blackboard. You'll submit them electronically in advance of the due date under assignments, and I don't think the last assignment will be too challenging. So that's pretty much the same. Our one remaining exam will be pretty similar to the first one, where you can use your notes and the internet and the textbook to complete the exam individually. Usually what I do for the final is I'll put it on Blackboard again under assignments. We'll see the final exam here when it's time to take it. And then I usually give a week from the last class meeting to complete it. And that's it shouldn't take you a week working solid to do it, but you'll have a week to do the exam. All right. So more to come on that as it approaches. So participation, I'm trying these mini exercises. So I don't grade them, but there's sort of like a credit, no credit situation where if you submit a mini exercise as required, you'll get participation credit, right? So let's take a look at those. There's one, they're under mini exercises. There's actually one now based on this video, and it shouldn't take you more than 5-10 minutes to complete, but submit this online through mini exercises, right? They're like little assignments that will give me a way to evaluate your participation credit and also just prove to me that you're keeping pace with the material in the class, which is going to be really helpful for you. All right, so they're due 3 days after the date of the video. And again, feel free to work ahead if there's more material and you want to get a jump on these mini exercises, that's fine. All right, so fund management is going to be the tricky part because I don't recommend meeting in person to do your group work, right? That's not recommended under the current safety guidelines, given the situation that we're in. So the key is going to be to coordinate electronically, right? Email each other, talk on the phone, set up some kind of hangout chat, and we'll need to build a presentation that we'll use to propose purchasing, whatever stock your group is working on. And then you'll also need to figure out how we finalize which stocks we're going to sell to raise the cash we need to buy the stocks that you're analyzing. As we talked about in class, we need to sell about $8,000 worth of stock, so we have enough cash to buy the new stocks that you're going to be working on. And so I'm envisioning like a Zoom meeting where we all dial into this. It's like a video conferencing tool. I'll send you a link. You click on the link and you open the Zoom meeting, and we can all meet virtually and then interact. And you can propose the stocks that you want to sell, and you'll also give a summary of your stock pitch presentation when the time comes. All right, and we'll still aim to do that on the date of the stock presentations in the syllabus, Tuesday, April 14th. So that's coming up. So we'll be sure to allocate plenty of time to work on those presentations. All right, and then the written report, 15% of your grade. Y'all will be responsible for coordinating to put together one paper per group. The precedents on Blackboard are really helpful, and maybe a Google Doc is helpful because you can have simultaneous editing, but it'll be up to you to figure out how to work on that as a group. I'm here to help you out any way I can with that, okay? If you want to run work by me that you're doing, that'd be great. Whatever I can do to help, I'm here for you. So it's going to be different, like I said. Thanks for your patience. Some keys to doing well in the class. Blackboard is a vital source of information. It's going to be your main contact point going forward, right? You're going to get tons of emails from all your classes because they're all online now. But it's important to keep up with them, organize them, maybe create folders in your email clients, whatever works best for you. But the way that you're going to be evaluated, right? Participation. Your participation score is based on whether you submit these mini exercises on time on Blackboard. The last assignment, make sure you submit it online on time on Blackboard. Okay, the final exam will be posted to assignments. Make sure you submit that on time on Blackboard. And then I'll send grading feedback through Blackboard like I did before. If you have any questions, let me know. And then the market is crazy right now. So now more than ever, I feel it's really important for you to keep on top of what's going on with the Student Managed Investment Fund, because the more you do that, the more you'll get out of it as an experience. So it's going to be challenging because we'll be online, but it could still be very rewarding. So especially in this market environment, there's a big learning opportunity. All right, so whatever I can do to assist you, definitely contact me. I'm happy to help any way I can. I know this is different. And I want to assure you that my main goal is to make sure that this transition to online is difficult, but I'm here to help out any way I can. So feel free to contact me, and I look forward to working with you on the next video. Okay? Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you soon.